In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage posts, pages, tags, and authors in Ghost CMS. Start by opening your browser and searching for Ghost CMS. From the results, head to the official Ghost site and access your Ghost admin. Log in with your credentials to reach the dashboard. To create a new blog post, you can click the plus story button at the bottom left of the navigation, or go to Posts in the left-hand menu and select New Post in the top right corner. Give your post a clear, descriptive title, then start writing in the editor. Ghost's editor supports dynamic content blocks, so you can add images, videos, and embeds as you go. Just hit the plus icon in the editor to insert the type of block you need. When you're ready to fine-tune details, open the Settings panel by clicking the gear icon in the top right. Here you can add tags to organize content, customize the post URL, set a featured image for cards and social shares, and adjust other options. The URL slug is the part that appears at the end of the link, so keep it short and relevant. To manage your posts, return to the Posts page. You'll see all your content, including both published and drafts. Click any post title to edit it. For bulk actions, select multiple posts using Shift, Command, or Control while clicking. Then, right-click your selection to reveal the bulk menu, where you can add tags, unpublish, or change access. To duplicate a single post, right-click it and choose Duplicate to create a copy you can tweak without starting from scratch. Creating pages works similarly. Click Pages in the left-hand menu, then hit New Page. Add a title and content just like you would for a post. Use the page settings to define the URL, add tags, and set metadata. When everything looks good, publish your page. To manage existing pages, head back to the Pages section and click the edit icon next to any page to update it. Pages are perfect for static content like About, Contact, or Policy pages. To create and manage tags, go to the Tags page in the sidebar. Click New Tag, then add a name, choose a color, set the slug, write a description, and add an image if you'd like. Save your tag. From the Tags page, click any tag to edit its settings, view how many posts use it, and adjust its metadata or image. Finally, to manage authors, open the gear icon and go to Staff. Click Invite People, then assign a role. Contributor can write but not publish. Author can write and publish their own posts and tags. Editor can publish their own and edit or publish others' posts. Administrator has full access to all data and settings.